So who is Purple Cow? Purple Cow Organics is first and foremost a compost manufacturer. We believe that the health of your soil directly impacts the health of everything grown in that soil. So what do I mean when I say healthy soil? Soil is considered healthy when there are three things present. First is carbon. Carbon is in our atmosphere. It's what all life forms are made of, both plant and human alike. We don't really need to worry about adding carbon too much. Second thing that needs to be present is minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring in healthy, untouched soil, but when you've grown in the same garden bed over and over, your plants have probably pulled out some of the minerals and you'll need to put some back. The more common name for that is fertilizer. Most home gardeners understand fertilizer. That's a pretty easy one. The third component is by far the most overlooked and undereducated, and that is biology. There should be thousands and millions of species of microorganisms living in your soil. In 1 tablespoon of healthy soil, there should be more living organisms than there are humans on planet Earth. Biology in your soil is the living builder that takes the carbon and it processes the nutrients, and it's what grows you a plant. You can kind of think of it like a kid playing with Legos. You can build some pretty cool things with Legos, but if you take away the kid, you're left with just plastic pieces. You need that living builder component to put the pieces together and build your rocket ship or whatever it is you're building. Same thing is true in your soil. You can add all the fertilizer you want, but if there's no biology in your soil, it's just going to sit there. You need that living builder component to take the fertilizer, process it, and grow you a plant. So how do we add biology? The short answer is compost. Our compost specifically is unique because we take plant residuals from Madison and Milwaukee and we recycle them into organic compost. This lets us make use of the thousands of species of microorganisms that exist in plant material rather than synthetically breeding them in a lab. So what do I mean when I keep saying species? Basically, each different type of organism has a different job. Some focus on processing nutrients, others on disease suppression, some of them on nutritional value of your vegetables, and scientists don't even know what they all do. But what we do know is that having a wider scope of diversity means healthier, stronger, and more nutritious plants. Our compost is regularly tested, and we have over 4,000 species of biology in any batch of our compost. So back at the beginning, when I said that we're first and foremost a compost manufacturer, a more accurate statement would be that we sell biology. This plant-based compost and all of these benefits are the base of every single one of our bagged soils. So you not only get the benefits in activated compost, but also in the raised bed mix, in the potting mix, in everything down the line as well.